I saw something. When there are a lot of changes, a person has come, he stays there for 3 months. They sweep that person off. Another one comes, 5 months. They say, no. Let's put a committee. And then others say, no, you take over. Pray for Uganda. So, I'm telling you the truth. I'm not campaigning for anybody. But I saw 3 months. Another funny guy comes. 5 months exactly. And they say, no. Then confusion comes. Then military takes over. Discouraging anybody. You can try your way, but none of them you're hearing about qualifies. The person God sets, he has not even come out. The day the person will come out, we shall all be shaken. And that person, I give you a prophecy, is out of the country. So, but you're free to move.